Hi there, friends! Welcome back to the channel, where we're always on the lookout for simple, realistic ways to make healthy living a little bit easier and a lot more enjoyable. Let me ask you, are you tired of jumping from one strict diet to another, only to feel frustrated when nothing seems to stick? Maybe you've tried cutting out all your favorite foods, counting every calorie, or spending hours meal prepping, but the results just don't last. Trust me, I know exactly how it feels. It can be discouraging, and sometimes it seems like no matter what you do, the scale just won't budge. You're not alone in this struggle. But what if I told you there's a surprisingly simple way to support your weight loss journey just by enjoying your regular cup of morning coffee? Yes, you heard that right. No need to overhaul your entire routine. Let's talk about JavaBurn, a unique supplement that's been making waves in the world of health and wellness. JavaBurn is a tasteless, dissolvable powder you can easily mix into your daily coffee. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your morning routine. No extra steps, no hassle. Forget about crazy routines, complicated meal plans, or choking down another chalky shake that leaves you dreading breakfast. With JavaBurn, you get to keep your favorite coffee ritual, just with a little extra boost. Imagine starting your day with the same delicious cup of coffee you love, but now it's working even harder for you. It's your coffee, but with a little extra power to help you reach your goals. So how does it actually work? What's the science behind this coffee companion? JavaBurn uses a blend of natural ingredients like green tea extract, L-carnitine, and vitamins B6 and B12. These are all well known for their roles in supporting metabolism and energy. The idea is simple. These ingredients work with the natural properties of your coffee to help boost your metabolism, support fat burning, and even help control your appetite. That means you might feel fuller for longer, have more energy to get through your day, and see better results from your healthy habits. And the best part? You won't taste a thing. It's totally flavorless and blends right in, so your coffee tastes just as good as ever. No weird aftertaste, no gritty texture. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this really work? Is it just another fad, or is there something to it? Well, loads of people online are sharing their stories, talking about more energy, less snacking, and even seeing the numbers on the scale move in the right direction. There are tons of positive reviews and testimonials from people who've made JavaBurn part of their daily routine. People love that they don't have to change their entire lifestyle. You don't need to give up your favorite foods or spend hours at the gym. Just add JavaBurn to your coffee and go about your day as usual. Just stir it in, sip your coffee, and carry on with your day. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, it fits right in. Of course, nothing in life is a magic pill. JavaBurn isn't a replacement for healthy habits, but it can be a helpful addition to your routine. Results can be different for everyone, and it's always a good idea to check with your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have any health conditions or take medication. But for many, JavaBurn is becoming that little morning habit that makes a real difference. It's a small change that can add up over time, helping you feel more energized and motivated. If you're curious and want to learn more, check out the official JavaBurn website. You'll find all the details, ingredient lists, and answers to common questions. There's even a special offer for first-timers, so it could be the perfect time to try. Who knows? This might be the simple change you've been looking for. Imagine, your coffee could become your new secret weapon in your weight loss journey. Thanks for watching, friends. Remember, small steps can lead to big results, and sometimes the easiest changes are the ones that stick. Here's to feeling great, staying motivated, and making small changes that add up to big results. Let's keep supporting each other on this journey to better health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest, happiest life. See you next time.